Happy Independence Day, my fellow Dominicans. God bless.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Many of you, dear ambassadors, senior officials, and representatives are celebrating with us today. And you have journeyed to Dominica to stand in solidarity with us. Let me say to you very sincerely, we appreciate your presence here with us today, your commitment to Dominica and your support. We say thank you profusely and profoundly to all of you, your countries and your organizations who have believed in us and who have stood with us. Many, many thanks to you. We acknowledge as well the dedicated service of our public officers, police officers, the private sector, NGOs, and all Dominicans. So much more can be achieved if we work together, hand in hand, for the development of Dominica. There is really no reason for discord in this small country. There is no reason for disunity in this country. And so let us embrace peace, let us embrace love, let us embrace unity, let's embrace togetherness so we can build a more prosperous society.